Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can auto delete OTP messages on Android. So if you're tired of your inbox being flooded with OTP messages, in this easy guide, I'll show you how you can auto delete OTP messages on Android so your SMS stays clean and organized. So first, you need to make sure you are using the Google Messages app. So it comes with built-in OTP auto delete after 24 hours. So you can just open your Google Play Store and search for the Google Messages options in here. This one. So install it on your device if you don't have the app yet. And after the installation is finished, you need to open it and set it as a default messages app on your phone. Okay, so I've already opened it, and here you can click on this option to set as default messages app. This one. And you need to also sign in with your Google account. Okay, so after this, you can just click on your names at the top right corner and go to the message settings. Here, click on the or find the options. So just find the auto delete OTPs after 24 hours and just toggle it on. So after that, all your OTPs will be deleted automatically after a day. If you want more control, you can try the SMS Organizer by Microsoft, which also filters OTPs and lets you clean them in one tap. And that's it, super simple, and your inbox stays neat. If this helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Android tips. Bye!